Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm so excited to have you here again. This is another WAEC 2019 math question, which gives us if 3p equals 4p and 9p equals 8q minus 12, find the value of pq. Okay, well, if you want to try this on your own, you can pause the video, and when you are done, you can now press play to continue to watch the video. Okay, so let us find out what is the value of p and q. To do this, you need to find the value of p and the value of q. You now multiply it together to get the value of pq. Okay, so we're going to bring out the equations given. The first one that we're given is 3p equals 4q. Okay, so let's say this is equation 1. The second one is 9p equals 8q minus 12. Let's say this is equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1 we are going to make p the subject of formula, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3, so we're going to have 4q over 3, and we're going to substitute this in equation 2. Okay, so this is going to be substitute for p in equation 2, so let's quickly do that. So now we're going to have 9p, which is now substituted by 4q over 3, equals 8q minus 12. Alright, so now we can see that 3 can go in 9, so we're left with 3. So 3 times 4q will give us 12q, isn't it? Good. Then 8q equals 12 on the left hand side. So now we're going to bring the 8q to the right hand side, and that is going to the left hand side, so and that is going to be 12q minus 8q equals minus 12. Okay, 12q minus 8q, that will give us what? 4q. Good. Equals minus 12. So what are we going to do next? We're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. Okay, in order to find q. So q will cancel q out on the left hand side. 4 in minus 12 will give us what? Minus 3. So now that we have q equals minus 3, okay, we're going to substitute minus 3 for q in this. Let's say this is equation 3. In equation 3, so this is what is going to happen. So we're going to have p equals 4 times minus 3 over 3. Okay, so if 3 cancel 3, we're going to have cancel minus 3, we're going to have minus 1. So 4 times minus 1, we're going to have p equals minus 4. So the value of pq will now be equals to minus 4 times minus 3, isn't it? Good. So we're going to have the final answer as what? 12. Good. So our answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.